This is Nokia G22, and today I would like to show how you can add an event to calendar on this device. So to start, you will need to find and launch the calendar app, which by default is going to be Google Calendar. Then select the date you would like to create an event on. After that, hit the plus button to your bottom right, choose an event option from the list that follows, and now simply fill out all the event details such as its title, time frames, time zone, repetitiveness, other participants perhaps, who you would like to invite. Add the link to the video conference if this event is, well, about any video conference that will take place. You can set the location that event will happen at. You can set your reminding or notification preferences. Pick the color for this event to have in the or at the calendar. And also you can write a description or attach some file. Then hit the save button. And here is the event. Alrighty, so that will be it for this video. Thanks for watching, thanks for your attention, and bye bye.